HAOSEN Software Company has been the authorized partner of Aras since 2020. We offer remote service for consulting, customization, and development solutions for Aras with the experienced service team, also using the best practices from our global client base. We have developed a comprehensive suite of MCAD connectors for Aras Innovator's users and subscribers, achieving seamless integration between MCAD and Aras Innovator, ensuring data accuracy and traceability, avoiding manual errors, and improving data transfer efficiency.
HAOSEN Software's MCAD Aras connectors cover almost all mainstream mechanical design software, including CATIA, Aras Creo, SolidWorks, SolidEdge, Inventor, and AutoCAD. Even AEC design software such as Revit, MicroStation, PDMS, and Navisworks.
HAOSEN Software's Aras MCAD connectors are all natively developed to make them more stable, compatible, and efficient. We also provide highly customized MCAD design tools which can be applied for different scenarios and usages. Our company's detection tools can reduce errors in design and system application. For more information about Aras MCAD connector solutions,
please contact us via email haosensoft@haosen.com.cn.